Hi everyone, in today's guide, I'll show you how to lock and hide chats on WhatsApp for added privacy. So, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp on your device. Go to your Chats tab and find a conversation you want to lock. Press and hold the chat you want to lock until it's selected. Then, tap the three dots icon at top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the locked chat. The WhatsApp will prompt you to use your fingerprint or your Face ID to lock the chat. And once locked, the chat will be moved to a hidden folder and will no longer appear in your main chat list. To access your locked chats, go to the Chats tab and swipe down the screen. A locked chats folder will appear. Tap on it and use your fingerprint or Face ID again to unlock the folder. And that's it. Now, your chats are locked, hidden, and secure. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. And thank you for watching!